Hello guys, and welcome back to Customatics. Today we have a 2009 Chevy Aveo with a seized wheel bearing. We're going to be replacing a wheel bearing and hub assembly on the rear right tire, or wheel rather. So stick around and enjoy the show. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we have already moved the wheel. You just have to loosen up the 4 lug nuts, pop off the wheel. Alright, so the new part that we're going to install is actually going to be this assembly right here, in which we have a brand new MOOG hub assembly with bearing. Right out of the box. For you guys. And we have the hub assembly with the bearing already inside and the studs right here. So we're going to need to remove this nut with a 1.25 inch socket, just like that. You want to break that loose. Trusty breaker bar here. Alright, without a problem. That's loosened up. Now hopefully we can just hand unscrew. And I was hoping this assembly would come right off without any troubles. And I was right. It comes right off. And yeah, we got the seized bearing. Aside from all the dirt and mess, you can clearly tell that the bearing is not in perfect condition. We're going to replace this with a new one. Right here. You always want to make sure that you got the right part. So you can't see the part number on the old one, but the lady at the counter assured me that it was indeed the right part. I'm actually gonna try one of the lug nuts on these studs to make sure that they actually fit properly. So I got my lug nut here. I'm just gonna see if this would, and indeed it does. So that's good to go. All right, let's fit it right in there. Alright, just gotta tighten down that 1.25 inch bolt that we lost in between the wheel here. Now you want it, there's a torque spec for this bolt. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I'm gonna double check it, and then I'll just post that in the description below. But for now, I'm just gonna tighten this, snug it up. I'll get my torque wrench out here and tighten it to the proper spec. Alright, so I'm happy with that. Put the drum back on. Actually, this probably has a way. Yeah, right there. Like that. Alright. Got the drum rotor back on. These 2 bolts are missing when we got the vehicle, so we'll just leave them out. Probably got to replace them for them in the future, but for now, we'll just leave it. Actually, you know what? I forgot the cap. Put the cap back on. There we go, and now put the wheel back on. we're good to go. Lower the vehicle down, and we're going to torque these back to I believe 95 to 100 foot-pounds. And there you have it, guys. Brand new wheel bearing and hub assembly installed, good to go. Just another fix here at Customatics. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you later.
How you get so fly?